Number 3. Wolf down. Wow, you finished that sandwich in no time. I was starving. I haven't eaten all day. I can tell. You really wolfed it down. And I'm still not full.
Hey everyone, it's me, John. Yep, same guy. If you want to improve your phrasal verb vocabulary or study with me privately, the links are in the description.
You really wolfed down that sandwich. To eat something very quickly because you're very hungry. He wolfed down his dinner and asked for seconds. He was in a rush, so he wolfed down his sandwich in just a few bites. The hungry teenager came home and wolfed down an entire pizza by himself.